Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Ragi Poha recipe ideal to include in PCOS or diabetic diet or as a healthy, filling and fiber-rich breakfast meal in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Ragi Poha, I'm using sprouted Ragi flakes. Ragi flakes are also known as Ragi Aval or flattened ragi. Onto a strainer, I'm adding in 1 cup of Ragi Poha. I have measured half cup of water, and from this I'll be using some water to sprinkle on the poha so that it becomes wet. Mix it with your hand and make sure that the poha is coated with water. You just need to moisten with water. You don't need to add in all the water. Just lightly moisten with water. For those who are new to ragi or finger millet is a whole grain and it is completely gluten free. It's rich in fiber and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus it helps in weight loss and weight management. Now at this stage you can see that it is moistened with water and it is even sticking to my fingers. So I'm going to allow this to rest for 5 minutes or until I get the other ingredients ready. The other ingredients I'm using are 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Bengal gram, also known as kadala perippu, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon roasted chana dal. This is also known as pottu kadala in Malayalam. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit, or you can even slice the green chilies finely. Increase or decrease green chili as per your taste. A small piece of ginger finely chopped. 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves. Now let's check on the ragi flakes. As you can see, the ragi flakes are now not sticking to my fingers. Now when you take a small fistful and press it tightly, it is not retaining the shape. So that means you need little more moisture in the ragi flakes. So I'm adding in little extra water on the ragi flakes, and again giving it a good mix and making sure that it is moistened. And now you can see that it has even stick to my fingers. Out of the half cup of water I had measured, you can see that now almost 1/4 cup of the water is left. So this is how much water I used. I'll probably be adding this extra water while the poha is getting cooked. So I'm going to keep it aside. I'm heating my kadai with 2 teaspoons wood-pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood-pressed coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood-pressed oils from the place you live in. Once the oil is heated, add in the mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to crackle, add in the Bengal gram, urad dal, roasted chana dal. Give it a stir and allow the dals to get lightly roasted. Once the dals are lightly roasted or has started to turn light golden brown in color, add in the onion, slit green chilies, ginger and a sprig of fresh curry leaves. Give it a good stir. Allow the onions to lightly saute and turn transparent or light pink in color. At this point, let's check on the ragi poha, and you can see that though it is moist, it is non-sticky. Once the onion is transparent, add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Give it a stir. Add in the poha. Give it a good stir. I'm sprinkling in the rest of the water. Give it a good stir. Now the reason why I measured half cup of water is to show you how much water I'll be using in this recipe. Add in 3 tablespoons grated coconut. Give it a good mix. Turn off the flame. Squeeze in half a lemon, mix well, and my super healthy ragi poha is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy ragi poha and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.